Hey everyone, Nadine here, and today we're taking a look at this supplement. It is from Resilia. It is oil of oregano along with black seed oil, and we all know that there's a lot of benefits to black seed oil and oregano. I'm going to go through it a little bit with you, give you the advantages of it and disadvantages. Is the 6,000 milligrams in here, and we're going to take an up close look at it. So come on down with me.
This supplement does combine two well-known plant-based ingredients, oil of oregano and black seed. Both have been used traditionally in herbal wellness routines for many years. First, I would like to say that this is not medical advice on anything, and I am not a medical professional. These are supposed to help with immune system support, digestive, and gut support. They come in a soft gel cap, so they're easy to swallow, and also great because they have a very strong taste, so if you open it and break it, it's not going to taste very good. Although these, when used in foods, are absolutely incredible and make the food taste so much better. It's actual herbs and not the oils in the capsule. Oil of oregano does have antioxidant properties and supporting the body's natural immune response. Both the oil of oregano and the black seed are great for supporting digestive balance and overall wellness support. The key compound between the two often talked about is black seed oil is the thymoquinone, which is one of the natural components found in the seed. It's great that you can get the benefits of both ingredients in one capsule, and you don't have to worry about what kind of food you can add it to, whether your dinner, it's going to go well with it, or things like that. You can take it naturally right in there. And even better, it's also soy, dairy, gluten, and tree nuts free. The gel cap is made of gelatin, glycerin, and purified water. The pouch that it does come in is quite small, so you're not going to get a huge bag, but it does have a 30-day supply for the 60 pieces because you're taking 2 a day. These are herbs that we've used in our home, in our food for many, many years, and they're always just great boost, and you feel great after taking them. It's great that you can take it also in a supplement. If you guys want to check anything else about it, I am going to leave a link right in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Any further questions, please also drop them in the comments.